Students, the prevailing health emergency in the country and at the different parts of the world, as well as effort to contain the spread of COVID-19 pandemic, has resulted in loss of classroom teaching due to closure of schools. Therefore, the board has decided to revise the syllabi for classes 9 to 12th for the academic session 2021. The changes made in the syllabi have been finalized by the respective course committee with the approval of curriculum committee and governing body of the board. Considering the importance of achieving the level of learning, the syllabus has been rationalized to the extent possible by retaining the core concepts. The head of schools and teachers may ensure that the topics that have been reduced are also explained to the students to connect different topics. However, the reduced syllabus will not be part of the topics for internal assessment and year and board examinations. For classes 1 to 8, schools may follow the alternative academic calendar and learning outcomes specified by the NCERT. So students, CBSE सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ सेकेंडरी ने 9th to 12th में कुछ चैप्टर्स को डिलीट किया है, तो मैंने सारे सब्जेक्ट्स का डाटा इकट्ठा किया है। जो कुछ बच्चों को पता है और कुछ को नहीं पता है तो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए। क्लासेस 9, 10th, 11th, 12th के डिलीटेड पोर्शन पर मैंने जो वीडियोस बनाए हैं, इसकी लिंक मैं इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रही हूँ। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं क्लास 9th के डिलीटेड चैप्टर्स से। So students, today I will explain you all the subjects of 9th. First of all, we will take class 9th deleted topics. So first of all, I will take English language. In English language, you have grammar part, writing part and literature part. So in grammar part, the deleted parts are use of passive voice, clauses like noun clause, adverb clause of condition and time, relatives, clauses and prepositions. These are the parts deleted from the grammar portion. And secondly, in writing section, later on situation and descriptive paragraph on a place and event is deleted. Third part is literature. In literature, we have two books, Beehive and Moments. So from Beehive, we have the deleted chapters are the Lake Isle of Innisfree, the Snake and the Mirror, the Duck and the Kangaroo, Kathmandu, and A Slumber Did My Spirit Still. From the Moments, we have two lessons, Ishwaran the Storyteller and the Accidental Tourist. हिंदी कोर्स अ में विषय कोड 002 में दो बुक्स हैं, जिसमें कृतिका और क्षितिज है। क्षितिज भाग 1 में काव्य खंड में कबीर, सखियाँ व सबद पाठ से सबद 2, सुमित्रानंदन पंत, ग्रामश्री, केदारनाथ अग्रवाल की चंद्रगहना से लौटती बेर, सर्वेश्वर दयाल सक्सेना की मेघ आए, चंद्रकांत देवताले की यमराज की दिशा, ये काव्य खंड हटा दिए गए हैं। गद्य खंड में श्यामा चरण दुबे की उपभोक्तावाद की संस्कृति, चपला देवी की नाना साहब की पुत्री देवी मिनास को भस्म कर दिया गया, महादेवी वर्मा की मेरे बचपन के दिन और हजारी प्रसाद द्विवेदी की एक कुत्ता और एक मैना। कृतिका भाग 1 से फणीश्वर नाथ रेणु की इस जल प्रलय में और शमशेर बहादुर सिंह की किस तरह आखिरकार में हिंदी में आया को हटा दिया गया है। हिंदी कोर्स ब में विषय कोड 085 में से निम्नलिखित पाठ हटा दिए गए हैं। पहला है स्पर्श भाग 1, इसमें निरंजन मालवीय की वैज्ञानिक चेतना के वाहक चंद्र के शेखर वेंकटरामन, रामधारी से दिनकर का गीत अगीत, काका कालेलकर का कीचड़ का काव्य, स्वामी आनंद शुक्र तारे के समान, नज़ीर अकबराबादी का आदमीनामा और हरिवंश राय बच्चन का अग्निपथ, अरुण कमल का नए इलाके में, ये सारे पाठ स्पर्श भाग 1 से हटा दिए गए हैं। दूसरा है संचयन भाग 1, इसमें कल्लू कुमार की ऊनाकोटी और मेरा छोटा सा निजी पुस्तकालय, ये दोनों पाठ हटा दिए गए हैं। So students, now next is our mathematics. The code is 041. इसमें चैप्टर्स और अकॉर्डिंग टू चैप्टर्स मैं आपको टॉपिक्स बता रही हूँ कौन कौन से डिलीट हो रहे हैं। तो हमारी फर्स्ट यूनिट है नंबर सिस्टम। इसमें रियल नंबर से representation of terminating or non-terminating recurring decimals on the number line through successive magnification. और दूसरा है explaining that every real number is represented by a unique point on the number line and conversely with every point on the number line represented a unique real number. Definition of ninth root of a real number. सेकेंड यूनिट है एल्जेब्रा. एल्जेब्रा में पॉलिनोमियल में हमारे टॉपिक्स हैं मोटिवेट एंड स्टेट द रिमाइंडर थ्योरम विथ एग्जांपल्स, स्टेटमेंट एंड प्रूफ ऑफ द फैक्टर थ्योरम, एक्स क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब प्लस जेड क्यूब माइनस 3x y z. Next chapter is linear equation in two variables. In that we have the topics examples, problems on ratio and proportion. In unit 3 coordinate geometry there is no deletion, and in unit 4 geometry we have the introduction to Euclid's geometry and the deleted chapters line and angles, no deletion, triangles, proof of the theorem deleted. Two triangles are congruent if any two angles and the included side of one triangle is equal to any two angle and the included sides of the other triangle ASA congruence. Next topic is topic deleted, that is triangle inequalities and relation between angle and facing side inequalities in triangles. And next is quadrilaterals, there is no deletion in this chapter. Area, delete the chapter whole. Circle, there is one and only one circle passing through three given non-collinear point. If 9 segment joining 2 points students equal angle at 2 other points lying on the same side of the line containing the segment, the 4 points lie on a circle. Next is constructions. In construction of a triangle of given parameter and base angles. Unit 5 is mensuration. In that we have topic areas, application of Heron's formula in finding the area of a quadrilateral. Next is surface area and volume. There is no deletion in this chapter. Unit 6 statistics and probability. In statistics, histograms with varying base length and frequency, polygons, means, median, modes of upgrouped data. And the last chapter is probability. There is no deletion in this chapter. So in history we have India and the contemporary world. Section 2 livelihood, economics and societies. Note if any one out of these two chapters, chapter 4 and chapter 5, chapter 4 is forest society and colonialism and chapter 5 is pastoralist in the modern world. So complete sections of both the chapters. And in unit 2, so in geography, chapter 3 drainage, complete chapter except for map items which will be assessed in the examination, and chapter 6 population, complete chapter. Unit 3 democratic politics, 1 political science, chapter 2 constitutional design, democratic constitution in South Africa only, and in chapter 5 democratic rights, complete chapter. Unit 4 economics, chapter 4 food security in India, complete chapter. Okay students, in science code is 086 and deleted portion of theory is under unit 1st, matter, nature and behavior. Matter in our surroundings, definition of matter, solid, liquid and gas, characteristics, shape, volume, density, changes of state, melting, absorptions of heat, freezing, evaporation, cooling by evaporation, condensation and sublimation. Unit 2 organization in living world. In this, diversity in living organism, diversity of plants and animals, basic issues in scientific naming, basis of classification, hierarchy of categories, groups, major groups of plants, salient feature, bacteria, Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm and Angiosperm. Major groups of animals: salient feature, non-chordate up to phyla and chordate up to classes. Unit 3, motion, force and work. In this, flotation, thrust and pressure, Archimedes principle, buoyancy, elementary ideas of relative density, sound, nature of sound and its propagation in various media, speed of sound, range of hearing in humans, ultrasound, reflection of sound, echo and sonar, structure of the human ear, auditory aspects only. Under Unit 5, food production. In this, improvement in food resources, plants and animals, breeding and selection of equality, improvement and management, use of fertilizers and manure, protections from pests and diseases, organic farming. Deleted practicals are separation of components of mixture of sand, common salt and ammonium chloride or Kapoor. Determination of melting point of ice and boiling point of water. Third is verification of law of reflections of sound. Fourth is determination of speed of pulse propagated through a stretched string slinky helical spring. Fifth is study of characteristics of Spirogyra, Agaricus, moss, fern, pinus, either with male or female cone. And in angiospermic plant, draw and give two identifying features of the group they belong to. Sixth is observe the given pictures, chart model of earthworm, cockroach, bony fish and bird. For each organism, draw their picture and record. A is one specific feature of its phylum and B is one adaptive feature with reference to its habitat. And seventh practical is a study of external feature of root, stem, leaf and flower of monocot and dicot plant. In the internal assessment, deleted part is theme nature resources, balance in nature, and Unit 4, our environment. In that, physical resources, air, water, soil, air for respiration, for combustion, for moderating temperature, movement of air and its role in bringing rains across India, air, water and soil pollution, brief introduction, holes in ozone layer and the probable damages, biogeochemical cycle in nature, water, oxygen, carbon and nitrogen. So students, that's all for class 9th deleted portion. Share this video with your friends, those who are not aware about the updated portion of class 9th. And I had made the videos of class 10th, 11th and 12th updated syllabus too. Link is given in description box. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification. Share the knowledge. Keep watching.